Everybody, today I'm up here at the lake and I'm going to take out for the first time this year this Miss Geico 36-inch. Today we're going to do a little FPV. I'm going to put my camera up on top of this attachment right here. I had to go in the fucking water and get it myself. Motherfucker. Damn it. Didn't bring the rescue boat. Didn't think it was going to flip. I don't understand that. Okay, after taking a little swim there to go get the damn boat, you know what? I didn't think I was going to need my rescue boat, but from now on, rescue boat's coming out. Got a real nice. You know what I forgot to do, guys? You know what I forgot to do? Let me show you what I forgot to do. Son of a bitch. I forgot to put in a plug for this time. I can't believe that. Okay, then go back it up. Guys, I don't know what the hell's going on the past 2 weeks with me and RC, and you know, last week with the Twin Otter, little crash. This time, well, I figured out what it was. I think I figured out what it was on the Miss Geico and the turning. Even though I have the steering trim up and you know, it's pretty even, pretty centered. The ABC steering trim control over on the side over here. Okay, I had that turned way down. It seems to work a lot better on this boat when this boat has it turned up very high. It's better banking, much better turning. It seems to work a lot better for me. I don't know, you guys. You let me know what you think. Wasn't bad. I hope that comes out pretty good. You can see what was underneath the water there before I went for a swim for it. And that's it for right now. We'll talk to you soon. Can't believe I didn't put that goddamn plug in. I'm so stupid. All right, guys. Salute. Drone Man Joe out. Talk to you soon.